loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful turquoise, really more like ocean theme, tropical theme makeup look. Let me know what you guys see in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. So for this makeup look, we're going to be using the Mar eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. In Spanish, the word is mud, and the reason I say that is because mud means ocean. So I'm not sure if they're trying to use a play on words there. But anyways, this is more of like a tropical themed, ocean themed makeup look. And like I said, we're going to be using this eyeshadow palette, and the first color that we're using is called Sorbet, which you've already seen. We're going to be using a small fluffy brush, or you're also welcome to use like a medium-sized fluffy brush, which is also known as a crease brush, to apply Sorbet all over the crease of our eyes. Remember to please blend this out. That's why you see me here take some time to do so, because I want to make sure this can blend well with the other colors that we're using. The title of this video is technically turquoise theme, but I think I'm going to change it to turquoise / tropical themed, and that's really what it is, because this palette is a perfect combination of blues and greens, a few of them, and then some oranges. Just because obviously when you're at the beach, there's also the sun, or at least you hope that there is. And also some kind of like deep browns, which makes you think of like palm trees, etc. It is truly a beautiful palette and I highly recommend it. Just wanted to jump in here and say welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Like I said, I do love this eyeshadow palette. If you have any questions on this palette, on any other palettes or any other videos, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Also, if you have any questions or any products you'd like me to try out, please do not hesitate and I will respond. For the second step, we're going to be using this deep brown color that you see here called Top Down. It's really more of a reddish brown, to be honest. It's really beautiful. First I thought it was a burgundy, but you'll see what I mean when it applies on as a reddish brown. And we're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this to the outer corner of the eyelid. And yes, we're going to be blending this out. Quick tip. Here I'm using the back part of my falsies like eyelashes case. It's really more like cardstock paper. If you don't have that, you're more than welcome to use like a postcard. You're welcome to use a piece of paper if you fold it into like 3 or 4, just to add like to make it a bit thicker. Anyways, you hold it underneath your eye as you're applying this color, and really any color that you don't want to fall into your face. This is a great tool to use, especially if you're applying your makeup after you've already applied your foundation. For the third step, we're going to blend this out. Yes, you heard that right. It's time to blend. Okay, so in this case, I'm using the same fluffy brush that I used in the beginning of this video to put Sorbet onto the crease of my eyes. And I'm going to blend out Top Down and Sorbet. Please take your time with this. Look, it doesn't matter if it takes you 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure this took around 5 to 7 minutes, full length. Just to make sure that I was able to blend it out, because I don't want any harsh lines. You don't want your makeup to look choppy. You want everything to flow well together. For the third step, we're going to be using this beautiful, like deep turquoise color here called Grid Lock. I'm obsessed with it. You'll see why in a second. And we're going to be using a flat brush. Here I'm using kind of a large flat brush. We're welcome to use a large, a small, whatever it is that you want, but make sure it's a flat brush. And we're going to apply this to the main part of the eye. So from the inner corner to about a little more than halfway, so it can blend well with the other colors. Quick note, you do not need any sort of setting spray. Again, with ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, you don't really need them. They're not necessary because the colors are very pigmented, and as you see them on the palette, they're going to be applied onto your eyelids just as shown. you already know. Blending is key. Like I said, please make sure to take time with this. Here, obviously, I'm going to speed it up in the video, but you know what I mean. I'm using the same small fluffy brush to blend this out. You're welcome to use another one if you don't want to use the same one, but really I'm just blending the same colors out together. For the next step, we're going to be applying the exact same colors onto the lower lash line. Yes, you heard that right. So not all 3 colors. What we're going to be applying is top down from the exterior corner to about halfway into the lower lash line, and then we're going to be applying gridlock from the inner corner to, again, about halfway, a little more than halfway onto the lower lash line. Final step, we're going to be applying the same color, or a different color called El Rey. It looks on the palette as like a soft shimmery orange, but I think mixed in with this color it applies on as like a really light orange with a little bit of yellow. You'll see what I mean here in a minute. You're welcome to use a small rounded brush, a small flat brush, really whatever small brush you have to apply this right to the inner corner of the eye to give you a little extra pop of color. In this case, I used a cotton swab. And this is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this tropical themed makeup look. Don't forget to comment what you think of this video. Don't forget to hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Take care. God bless. Bye.